Dr. Brenda Miller at Avanta Hair Restoration. We're located at 5490 McGinnis Ferry Road, Suite 104. Our phone number is 678-768-6191. We invite you to come in for a free consultation. No two clients are the same, and we're here to meet each individual's need. First of all, we want to start with finding out more about your lifestyle and the experiences that you've had in the past and what you're expecting to get from us. Our email address is A as in Apple, V as in Victor, ANTASHAIRRESTO@gmail.com. Our web address is A as in Apple, VANTASHRC.com. At the end of the day, our whole objective is to send you away as a satisfied client.